आज का विजिट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा हैज़ decided to open new police stations, and the first one which will be open will be Navelim police stations. So I, along with SP headquarters, SP South, we have come to see and assess the infrastructural requirements. We have also visited Fatorda police station because certain infrastructure requirements are required there also. So basic purpose of the visit was primarily this only.
So when is starting the
In fact, we intend to start from 1st April, but due to certain constraints, we may not be able to.
Police station, Home Department, सगळे top officials येयले ते हिंगा police station घालपा जाय म्हूण Navelim. So जागो पळोवपा येयले whether the infrastructure is there or not. So तांकां आमी दाखयला infrastructure आहा कितें जालें. If they are satisfied with the infrastructure, we'll go ahead with him. Suppose and I सांगला तांकां till date they have not done any correspondence to us. So without that I cannot take any action. Final action I cannot take. So I have to take with the body decision. Then for the Gram Sabha members, if the people agree, Navelimचे लोक ते सगळ्यांक जाय म्हणटा जाल्यार करपाचें. ओके.
Navelim police station important as तुमकां
कायद्याशीर पळोवपाक गेल्यार Navelim police station जाय म्हणून आमचो प्रपोजल नाशिल्लो. But the previous government or somebody has put the proposal. आनी आतांचो आमदारूय कितें म्हणपाक लागलो अशें कितें चलता तेमचें. बट आमकां एज फार एज Navelim इज क्लोज टू द मारगांव टावन पुलीस स्टेशन. सो हे भाशेन जायते विलेजीस बोयज आसात तांकां चड पुलीस स्टेशन गरजेचें आहा एज कम्पेर्ड टू Navelim. सो सपोज इफ एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स देन वी हॅव टू गो हेड. इट इज द पिपल्स.
जाल्यार तुम्ही प्लेस दितले.
हय इफ जरी लोकांक जाय दिसता जाल्यार आनी मेंबर्स वॉन्ट इफ द होल पंचायत वॉन्ट लोकांक जाय जाल्यार दिवपाचें मागीर.